Hey, today I want to talk to you about not letting the fear of people stop you from producing video content. Video is probably the most powerful medium you can use today to communicate your message, to warm your prospects up, to get them to know, like, and trust you, and then to get them over the line to book an appointment in your calendar. I don't know any other method that's more powerful, and I use a lot of video in my business. I use it as a daily video that I go live with and I teach people. I use it on my landing pages. I use it in my funnels. I use it in my emails that I send forth. I send an email with a link to a video and people can watch the video. I think it's just amazing and I've had amazing results. But the problem with video is many of you are probably self-conscious. You think, well, I could never do well on video. And so you don't do it. Others of you are scared of your family and friends. And so you are scared of what they're going to say about you, whether they're going to make fun of you or they're going to not like it or they're going to be intimidated or they're going to post something or talk behind your back. And I just want to tell you that you just can't let that stop you. Now, I'm an adult and most of you are adults. And what I've realized over the years is most of us are just little people in adults' bodies. We're just children in adults' bodies. And many adults have the same challenges and issues they had as children in the school playground. And I want to encourage you to try and overcome that. Don't let that stop you from using probably the greatest medium you can use in your business today. I know with me, when I first started, I didn't do it because of what I thought my family and friends would think. And just as a side note, I actually don't post a lot on my private Facebook page. I have business pages that I post on, and I am everywhere all over those pages. But on my private Facebook personal page, there's almost nothing. If you go check it out, there's nothing posted on there. And that's because of my family and friends. I don't want to annoy them. I don't want them to probably see a lot of what I do because I don't think it's relevant. And maybe I don't want them to talk behind my back or to not like what I'm doing. I'm not saying that I'm immune to this. I'm just telling you what the problem is, okay? So even with me, I have some challenges around what my family and friends may say. So I just don't post there. What I do is I post on my business pages, and you can see the difference is light and day. Go to my personal Facebook profile. I have nothing virtually. Go on my pages and my business pages. I am all over that. And so I have been able to overcome it, and I would like you to overcome it as well. I don't want you to live and have a business where you can't use the most powerful means of communication. Do you know, the power of video is so big. I have so many people that book appointments in my calendar and say, Marlon, the reason I book the appointment is because I binge watch all your videos and I could see that number one, you care. Number two, you know what you're talking about. And number three, you're passionate. You're just passionate about what you do. I can see it, and so I booked the appointment. I had a client today who, on one of the coaching calls, they came and said, Marlon, I just had a prospect book an appointment in my calendar. And when I jumped on the call, they said something very similar to what I just said. They said that, I've been watching your videos and seeing your emails over the last few months, and I really appreciate the great content that you have given. I can see that you are not one of those other people in the industry that are kind of like sharks that just are trying to get my money, that you actually care and you give, and that's why I booked the appointment with you. That's what the prospect said to the client. And when I heard that, I thought, wow, that's what I hear as well with my clients, and now he's hearing it. And can I just say that people watch, prospects watch, and you may think that they're not reading your emails. They may think that you're not watching the videos, but they are. And one of the things that what keeps me creating videos is I don't create videos for people to watch the videos and for my YouTube channel to grow in size. I don't look at those vanity metrics. The reason I create videos is for the people in my network. Now, there's only a small amount of people in my network compared to the world. There's only a small amount of people in my funnel who are on my list, but I create videos for those people because once you come into my world, I then show you lots of content about what I do and who I am and what I believe, and I educate and I help and I show that I serve. And for those small amount of people in my funnel, I'm a big deal because I'm sending 2 emails every week. I'm posting to my YouTube channel, my Instagram, my Facebook page, my Facebook group. And sometimes people come in and they just binge watch everything and then book an appointment. So if you have that mindset that you're not creating video content just to put it out in the world and become a celebrity, but you're building the content for the small amount of people that are in your world right now to get them on the phone by building trust, everything changes. Like your mindset changes. And now you realize that really what you're here to do with video is to serve and educate, not to become a celebrity, not to become a superstar, not to try and be famous. You don't have to keep up with everyone else out there that's growing on YouTube and is actually killing it online. You just have to be a big deal to a small amount of people. And the client I told you about before, he is just doing so well in his business with a small amount of people in his network. And he helps people invest in property. So each client is worth a lot of money. And so the sales cycles are long, but each client is worth a lot. And so this video content he does on a regular basis, and it is really starting to see a huge return for him. So I believe that that's what you should do. But I know what's probably stopping you. It's what other people think. So don't let what other people think about you stop you from using the number one tool that you have at your disposal. Now, let me give you a little bit of an insight. You don't have to be great at video to start. You don't have to be a great orator and be able to really have charisma and really get people in. You just have to be yourself. One of the things that this client said to me today, he said, the client said to him, we really got to see who you are, Jeff, through these videos. And I think that's really important. And his personality is totally different to mine. And my personality is different to some of my other clients. And it doesn't matter who you are or how quiet you are, how boisterous you are, whether you're an introvert or extrovert. What people really want is to deal with genuine people. And for me, people like me, and there's a whole bunch of people that don't like me and they never call, okay? So with you, don't try and be someone you're not. Just be you. And if you can just relax and be you and talk the way you talk, if it's boring, just keep doing it. If it's exciting and it's too much and overbearing, just keep doing it. And if it's medium, just keep doing it. Because somebody out there will like your style. And so that's my encouragement to you. Don't let the fear of people stop you from using video. And I always say to people, don't try and get amazing equipment. Just start with your iPhone or your Android phone. That's the best camera you can get. The only thing you really need is a mic, okay? So good audio is good. So you can get like a $40 lapel mic that you can plug into your phone. And if you do that, then the audio is good. And then just get the camera and put it on a tripod. Actually, don't have my tripod here, but there's a little tripod you can get and you put on your desk and and tomorrow I'll be doing a video using the tripod, right? I'll just put it here on my desk and I'll just do a video like a Facebook Live. So you don't need a lot of equipment, just start. The best place to start is with your iPhone. Don't worry about how good the production is, just start doing it. And then when you do it, just release it. Just release it out there. And I can guarantee you that if you are consistent with your videos, whether it's 1 a week or 2 a week or 3 a week, and you email those videos to your people in your prospect list and you put it in your Facebook group or put it on your social media accounts, people will start watching. LinkedIn's a great one. Put all your videos in your LinkedIn profile. People will start watching and it'll have a radical transformation in your business over a period of time. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. This is about serving people over a long period of time and it starts to snowball, okay? So I want to encourage you, okay? Don't worry about what people think about you. What you need to do is just start, have confidence in yourself, and put it out there. And if you really care about your friends and family, don't post to your personal Facebook page. Just create a page and post there for all your clients. All right, have a great day. If you've got any questions, comment in the comments below. Like the video, that'll be great for me. Subscribe to the channel, but I look forward to speaking to you soon. Bye.